So guys, I hope that the text and the story is clear to you guys, and you also learned the meaning of the story, which is freedom. And we all long for freedom. So that's the story all about freedom. I hope it's clear to you guys. Now we'll be moving on to the question answers of this chapter. So starting from the very first question, it says that, do you think the atmosphere of Mr. Purcell's shop was cheerful or depressing? Give reasons for your answer. So according to me, his shop's atmosphere was not at all cheerful. It was not at all cheerful. Rather, it was cheerless. You could just find birds and the pets making sounds here and there, and customers also used to ask to Mr. Purcell that how do you make up with this noise? So basically, it was not at all a cheerful environment. It was just a cheerless and depressing environment. Right? So the next question is, describe the stranger who came to the pet shop. What did he want? So the stranger, first of all, we are going to describe the stranger, right? So the stranger was, wearing a new coat, a new suit, basically the whole suit, but that suit was ill-fitted, and also what happened, he seemed to be like, he was not well dressed. He was wearing an ill-fitted suit which was very loose to him. But what did he want? He basically wanted something in cage. He came inside and he said, I want something in cage. So basically he wanted anything that is small and that could fly in that too in the cage, in order to experience the freedom and feed those birds later on. Okay, so the third question is, the man insisted on buying the doves because he was fond of birds. Do you agree? Because he was actually fond of birds? No, I don't think so. He was very fond of birds. He was not particularly even fond of doves. He just wanted anything that was in a cage, right? So this also we come to know by when he says that I want something in cage. He does not specifically mentions that I want doves or something. So he was not very fond of birds. Okay, so the next part is, how had he earned the $5 he had? So the stranger had earned those $5 with by doing great labor, hard labor in prison for 10 years. He had earned those $5. Okay, that was, he earned basically half a dollar a year. That was 50 cents a year. Okay, so the next and the last question is, was the customer interested in the care and feeding of the doves he had bought? If not, why not? So from the text we come to know that he was not at all interested in the feeding of the birds, because what happened, Mr. Purcell was telling him stuff about how to keep up birds and everything, but he was not listening. He was not paying attention to Mr. Purcell. He was not paying attention. The only reason that he was not paying attention was that he actually wanted to free the birds. He was not going to take care of them in any case. He knew that right when he stepped out of the shop, he was going to free those birds. That's what happened. When he stepped out of the shop, he opened the cage and the birds were free. He was not at all worried about like what they will eat and about the feeding and everything. So I hope that the question answers are clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care.